What's the meaning of air-sea rescue? Air-sea rescue. Air-sea rescue. Air-sea rescue. Air-sea rescue. Air-sea rescue.
Air-sea rescue refers to the process of rescuing individuals who are in distress at sea using aircraft, such as helicopters or seaplanes. The aim is to provide timely assistance to people who are stranded, injured, or facing other difficulties due to natural disasters, accidents, or other emergencies in the maritime environment. This type of rescue often involves coordination and collaboration between air and naval forces, and may include the use of specialized equipment and techniques such as life rafts, rescue boats, and medical evacuation. Successful air-sea rescues can save lives and prevent serious injuries or loss of property.